In my last video, I showed you how to identify true colloidal silver from ionic silver. Most of the colloidal silver sold in stores and online is actually ionic silver, which is clear or gray and sometimes a muddy gray color. Many manufacturers don't do the second step, which is very simply to add a few drops of a sugar solution to their ionic silver. The sugar is called a reducing agent, and it turns ionic into colloidal within just a few hours. Now, another common mistake with those who make colloidal silver is to make it without using an inexpensive magnetic stirrer. So today I'm going to show you exactly what happens to colloidal silver when you don't use a magnetic stirrer during the process. This is what it should look like when you're using a magnetic stirrer to make colloidal silver. I'm using good quality distilled water, an electrolyte solution, and the correct voltage. Here's another batch, and everything is exactly the same, except this time I'm not using a magnetic stirrer. This is a 25-minute process, so I'm going to speed up the footage so you can see exactly what happens. When you don't use a magnetic stirrer like this one, silver particles can become too concentrated near the silver bar, start precipitating out of the solution, and agglomerating at the bottom of the jar. In chemistry, a precipitate is an insoluble solid that emerges from a liquid solution. In conclusion, make sure you test your colloidal silver by shaking the bottle first, pouring some into a clear glass, and shining a flashlight on it so that you can see exactly what you're drinking. More incredibly interesting videos on the way, so make sure you've subscribed to Earth Clinic's YouTube channel. Get it right.